Hello everyone, I am Vastavika Das, working as a lecturer in English in Dhamnagar College, located in Dhamnagar, Bhadrak. I am a participant of the online short-term course on translation studies organized from 21st December 2020 to 27th December 2020 by UGC HRDC of Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. In this video, I would like to share my experience on this 1 week long STC on translation studies, which is a relevant topic in the present times. To begin with, I would like to say that overall it has been an enriching journey with back to back live sessions by the esteemed resource persons who gave detailed presentations and discussed many different aspects on this topic elaborately. They also made efforts to make the sessions engaging and interactive. They focused on discussing such topics which are pertinent today as well as which would prove beneficial for the participants in the future, like the use of ICT in translation and also how translation can bring employment opportunities in the future. And the best part about these sessions is that the participants get an opportunity to interact and clarify their doubts with the resource persons directly. The staff of HRDC has been extremely supportive in their timely communication with the participants and by answering our queries on WhatsApp promptly, in sharing study materials which are exhaustive and rich in content and information, and lastly by giving the participants an opportunity to be in charge of a day. They have encouraged active participation and interaction among the participants. In short, the HRDC has created an environment of participation, motivation, and interaction with their efforts all through this course. I would also like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Professor Dr. Jagdish Joshi sir for organizing this STC on such an important topic and giving us a platform to learn from and interact with the best in the field, and also to come in contact with so many talented participants who come from different parts of the country and have shared their valuable experiences with each other on this platform. Although this was termed as STC and it was a short term course, yet the learning has been phenomenal and huge. It has definitely brought before us different new aspects to further focus on in the future and has shown us the way forward in this field. I would like to thank the organizers for this wonderful experience. Thank you.